In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful process visualization in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to Insert, take this rounded rectangle from two sides and drag it vertically. And I'm going to make it perfect. Rotate by holding Shift and place it here. I'm going to give it some gradient color and make another stop. To take another stop, I'm going to give it some gold color, gold gradient. Okay, and take this light color in the third stop. Shape outline, make it no outline, and give it some shadow effect. This will be okay. Transparency will be maybe 74, 75 around about, and 103 size. Okay, blur is 5. Again, go to shape, take this rectangle and draw it in size of the first shape. Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effect of this of the first shape to the second one, and place it here like this, little bit upper from the first shape. Now preform shape and drag a shape here from this corner to the first one to this corner. Click here and again here, and make this triangle like this. Control Shift C and Control Shift V. Bring to front, and I'm going to make it perfect. And fix its gradient as it is in back and fold. So I'm going to make its gradient according to its place, that it looks like that it is a fold paper. Control G to group it, and Control D to duplicate it and place up from the second shape. Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. I got 5 shapes where I have need 5 types or steps. You can increase according to your requirements. How many steps do you need? You can increase these steps by by clicking Control D. I'm going to make its gradient according to the first one, second one, yes, from right to left, from right to left, yes, and I'm going to change this last one shape with a rounded rectangle. Control D to duplicate it and rotate by holding Shift and place it here and change its direction of the gradient. I'm going to find the perfect gradient for this one. So I'm confused because this shape has been rotated many times, so it's okay now. I'm going to align it perfectly and Control G to group it. Go to insert shape and take this shape by holding Shift Alt and drag it, rotate it, and take this anchor point and drag it down. I'm going to give it some gradient color. I need only 2 stops and give it some light gray color and white. Direction from up to down, and go to this white color to give this stop a white color. I'm going to give its line also a gradient. Keep in mind that line gradient will be inverse to the fill gradient. Okay, give it some shadow effect. And this will be okay. I'm going to fix its transparency, size. Okay, Control D to duplicate it. And again Control D to duplicate it and align perfect according to the first shape. I need some text that I have written earlier to save the time. Control C and Control V to bring it to the slides and place this text over these shapes one by Control D to duplicate it. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Place it here, place it here. Select all and place it now at the center of the slide. I'm going to give it some shadow effect to the text. And I'm going to change the color on the fonts, I think. So I'm going to make some good color, and this is okay. Bring some icons. You can find your desired icon in this icon tab. Just type your text in the search icon bar, and you will find your desired icon. I need some icons, so I'm going to bring some 5 icons. I think find yes, this one is okay. Insert and bring it to the slides by holding shift alt and make it little bit smaller. Okay, place it here one by one, these icons. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you for watching, and have enjoyed the beautiful design, and enjoy this beautiful design. Thank you.